Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. Today's video is going to be some simple but fun spring and summer hairstyles for short to medium length hair, but you can really do these styles with any hair texture that you have. I know I do a lot of like wavy and curly hair videos, but if you're new to my channel or you don't have wavy or curly hair, you can do these hairstyles no matter what hair texture you have. We're just gonna go ahead and jump into these styles, but before we do, don't forget to subscribe down below if you are new and give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. You can also come follow me over on Instagram and Twitter if you would like to. They are linked in my description box down below. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell if you want to be notified whenever I upload new videos. And let's just go ahead and get into these styles. Alright, so I am actually going to talk through this video. I know I've done hairstyle videos before where I just kind of do my thing, speed it up with some music and show you guys what I'm doing, but I am actually going to talk through it this time and like explain the styles to you guys because even though these are really simple, there's still a little bit of detail to some of them. So for the first hairstyle, I'm actually going to part my hair in the center. And then I'm actually going to be styling my hair with a bandana for this first hairstyle. I think I've done this in maybe one hairstyle video in the past, but it was a really long time ago, and this is kind of like a different type of hairstyle. So I'm going to start by sectioning off some pieces in the front here, just kind of run my finger down and section off a few little pieces. I'll probably clip my hair back just so that I can get the other side too. And then I'm going to take like the top section of my hair, and then on the other side I'm also going to take the top section of my hair. I'm just kind of starting like middle of my forehead, I guess. Pulling that back, smoothing down the hair here, and then I am going to like pull it out a little bit so it's not super tight. First, I'm going to grab a little elastic. This is like a little disposable black elastic. You can use clear ones too. I just have black ones, so I'm just going to make sure my hair is smoothed out there. I'm going to tie this elastic, and then I'm going to do like a little halfways pull through. So it's kind of like a little bun. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. It's like a little bun there. And I'm just going to kind of like loosen that up as much as I can. I have really short hair, so it's not going to want to do like a super loose bun, but I'm just going to pull that out a little bit so it's not super tight. And then I'm going to take my bandana. This is the one that I have. It's not like super springy, but I feel like you can wear it like all year round, and I don't really have any like bright, colorful, springy ones. So I'm gonna take this, fold it in half diagonally, and then I'm gonna like roll it up. So like roll it up like this, and I'm going to tie it underneath the bun. I'm just gonna go like this, tie it up here, make sure it's like secure, and then go back underneath the bun. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. And just tie it again so that the strands are like hanging down and they're not like sticking out sideways, if that makes sense. Make sure that's all in there. And this is the hairstyle. And I just feel like this is the cutest little summer hairstyle. I know I've done a lot of similar like half up, half down looks like this, but I've never showed you guys how to style it with a bandana. And I just feel like this is so cute for like spring and summer. It's the perfect little hairstyle to wear like on a picnic or something like that. It's so like dainty. Hairstyle number 2 is going to be a braided hairstyle. So I really wanted to incorporate something like this because I feel like I don't really do these types of hairstyles a lot. Most of the hairstyles that I do on my channel have been like super simple, easy, basic ones, but I wanted to do something a little bit more fancy. So I'm gonna do my hair in like a side part, not a super deep side part, but still a side part. So I feel like that's pretty good. I'm gonna take my hair, like a section of my hair here in the front, and I'm actually gonna be doing like a Dutch braid. So I'm just gonna section off a piece of hair in the front. Just gonna get that other hair out of the way. I'm gonna grab this and section it off into 3 sections, obviously. And I'm going to start doing a Dutch braid. So I'm gonna go under with the first strand, under with this strand, and then under with the third strand. And now I'm actually gonna start adding hair into it. So I'm gonna grab a piece of hair from the front, the side here, and just go under. Same thing on the other side. I'm gonna get all of this hair out of the way here because that's gonna be like covering up our braid then, the end of our braid. I'm gonna stop adding hair at this point, and I'm just going to braid this a little bit more. I'm gonna put it under all of my hair here. So I'm like bringing all of my hair up so that it eventually covers this braid. And I'm just going to, before I pin it back, pull out some pieces here. And I do have like wavy textured hair, and it is darker, so you might not be able to like see the details of the braid super well because I didn't like brush out my hair, but I kind of want this to be like an effortless, just like loose look. I don't want it to be too polished. So now I'm just going to bobby pin this underneath, make sure that it's secure. And then I'm just going to let that extra hair cover that. And then I'm actually going to do the same thing on the other side as well. So I'm just going to grab a section here. I'm not going to add in too much hair because I don't want to use all of the hair on the side of my head, because we do want that to cover up the braid. So I'm just going to braid for a little bit more without adding extra hair in now. Get that hair out of the way, pull it back, and like loosen up the braid. And then I'm just going to bobby pin again. And then just have the hair on the top covering it. And then that is the finished look. So I have like layers and texture to my hair, so there are going to be like shorter pieces, but I actually feel like this is really cute with this kind of look because I just feel like it kind of makes it look more messy and like, I don't know, not as polished, which is kind of what I'm going for this look. If you have lighter hair than mine, or if you brushed your hair out before you do this, you're probably gonna get like more defined braids. But for me, I just kind of went for it and I didn't like try to make it too polished. So they're just a little bit more like messy, and I actually feel like it's really cute that way. So then you could of course pull out like some pieces beside your ear. I feel like that is really flattering and it makes it even more like messy kind of, which I feel like is really cute, like I said, for this look. So just pulling out some pieces there. The next hairstyle, I wanted it to be a little bit more of like a sleek look. So I'm gonna part my hair in the center again, and I'm gonna use my comb because I'm gonna try to be really specific here. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do decently large sections here in the front that I'm going to section off and leave out. I want them to be like precise and even on both sides, so kind of like if I were cutting my bangs and I'm doing that little triangle there. I'm gonna clip off one side so that it doesn't get lost, and then I'm going to take this side of my hair, I'm gonna take this all back, so I'm gonna do like most of the top section here, and then I'm actually gonna comb my hair back for this because I want it to be really sleek. I'm gonna take a little bit of hairspray, just comb over that. I'm grabbing one of these little elastics that I used earlier, and I'm gonna just put my hair into like a ponytail first on top, and we're just doing little like space buns. I've done these before, but I've never done them so like sleek and try to get them so perfect. Usually I'm just kind of like winging it. I'm gonna try to get the same amount of hair over here. Again, I'm going to comb my hair back. Hairspray that got on my face. Grabbing another elastic. I'm going to try to get the ponytail in the same spot so that they're really even. Make sure that I have some bobby pins ready, and I'm just going to loosely kind of wrap the hair around. I'm doing like loose little buns, and you can kind of do this, like mess around with this a little bit and make sure that you get it like how you want it. Make sure that your bobby pins, when you pin that in place, is like hidden, so that you can't see it. Same thing on the other side. And you just kind of have to like mess around with it. And there you have some little space buns. This is not going to be everyone's cup of tea, I am well aware, but I feel like this is just a really cute look. And I feel like the key to getting them even is combing them out like that, separating them out with the comb and making sure everything is like even on both sides, and then doing the ponytails first and pinning the bun instead of using the ponytail holder to make the bun, if that makes sense, because you can just be more precise with the bobby pin. My waves are suffering at this point because I combed out my hair, but gotta do it for the hairstyles. So that's it, you guys. 3 simple yet cute hairstyles for spring and summer. I know they're not like super over the moon original, but I do like to keep my hairstyles decently simple for you guys. And it's really hard to do complicated hairstyles with really short hair. Like, it's pretty hard when your hair is this short because there's just like not a lot to work with. If you have medium length hair, you can do a little more, but with really short hair, it's just easiest to keep it really simple. Also for me, the point of having short hair is just so that I don't have to do too much with it. I don't have to do really complicated styles and it still looks really cute. Yeah, I just wanted to do a few simple springy summery hairstyles, and if this is the first video of mine that you are watching, I would love for you to subscribe down below. I love you guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Walking downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out. It's what they all say.